Ever felt that slight prickle of unease when making a Venmo transaction? That little voice whispering, "Who can actually see this?" You're not alone. In today's hyperconnected world, the line between sharing and oversharing can feel razor thin, especially when it comes to our finances. We use Venmo for everything from splitting dinner with friends to chipping in for a group gift, and while it's incredibly convenient, the default privacy settings might not align with everyone's comfort level. Think about it. Do you really want your entire network, or even the whole internet, knowing that you just paid your roommate for rent or that you treated yourself to that much-needed coffee? Maybe you're perfectly fine with some transactions being public, but others feel a little too personal to broadcast. The beauty of platforms like Venmo lies in their flexibility, and that extends to how much information you choose to share. Ignoring your privacy settings is like leaving the curtains wide open in your financial living room. You might be perfectly comfortable with your close friends seeing in, but what about acquaintances, distant relatives, or even complete strangers who happen to stumble upon your profile? Suddenly, details about your spending habits and social circles become accessible, potentially leading to unwanted attention or even security risks down the line. This isn't about being secretive, it's about having control. It's about deciding who gets to see what and tailoring your online presence to your personal preferences. Just like you carefully curate your posts on other social media platforms, your financial transactions deserve the same level of consideration. So, if you've ever wondered how to take the reins and customize your Venmo privacy settings, you've come to the right place. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to dive deep into every nook and cranny of Venmo's privacy controls, empowering you to make informed decisions about what you share and with whom. We'll break down each setting step by step, explaining exactly what it means and how it impacts your visibility on the platform. Whether you're a seasoned Venmo user or just getting started, understanding these settings is crucial for maintaining your peace of mind and ensuring your financial information stays within your desired circle. Let's start with the most fundamental aspect, your transaction history. Every payment you send or receive is recorded, and by default, these transactions are often visible to more people than you might realize. Venmo offers three primary privacy settings for individual transactions: public, friends, and private. Public, as the name suggests, selecting public means that your transaction will be visible to anyone on Venmo, even those who aren't your friends. This includes details like who paid whom, the amount, sometimes, and any accompanying note. While this setting can foster a sense of community and transparency, it also exposes your financial activity to a potentially vast audience. Friends. Choosing friends restricts the visibility of your transaction to your confirmed Venmo friends. This offers a significant step up in privacy, limiting the audience to people you know and trust. However, it's important to remember that your friends' network on Venmo might include a wider circle than your closest confidants. Private. Opting for private ensures that the transaction is only visible to you and the other person involved in the payment. This is the most restrictive setting and offers the highest level of privacy for individual transactions. Now, here's the crucial part: Venmo allows you to set a default privacy setting for all your future transactions. This means you can choose your preferred level of visibility once, and it will automatically apply to every payment you make or receive unless you manually change it for a specific transaction. To set your default transaction privacy setting, follow these simple steps. Open the Venmo app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on the Me tab. This is usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen and is represented by a profile icon. Navigate to Settings. You will typically find this option in the top right corner, often represented by a gear icon. Select Privacy. This will take you to the Privacy Settings menu. Tap on Default Transaction Privacy. Here, you'll see the three options: Public, Friends, and Private. Choose your desired default setting. Select the option that best aligns with your privacy preferences. Once you've set your default, all your future transactions will automatically adhere to this setting. However, remember that you can still adjust the privacy for individual transactions before you complete them. When you're in the process of sending or requesting money, you will usually see a privacy setting option, often a small icon with the current setting displayed, that you can tap to change for that specific transaction. Beyond your transaction history, Venmo also allows you to control the visibility of your friends list. By default, your list of Venmo friends is often visible to your friends and sometimes even their friends. If you prefer to keep your connections more private, you can adjust this setting as well. To manage the privacy of your friends list, open the Venmo app and go to the Me tab. Tap on Settings, the gear icon. Select Privacy. Tap on Friends List. Choose your preferred visibility. Public, anyone on Venmo can see your friends list. Friends, only your confirmed Venmo friends can see your list. Private, only you can see your friends list. Similarly, you can also control who can see the people you follow on Venmo. The steps are almost identical to managing your friends list privacy. Open the Venmo app and go to the Me tab. Tap on Settings, the gear icon. Select Privacy. Tap on Following List. Choose your desired visibility, public, friends, or private. Another crucial aspect of your Venmo profile is your profile picture and other profile information. While your username is inherently public as it's how others identify you on the platform, you can control who sees your profile picture and other details you might have added to your profile. To adjust the privacy of your profile information, open the Venmo app and go to the Me tab. Tap on your profile picture or name to access your full profile. Tap the Edit Profile button, usually a pencil icon. Review the different fields, such as your profile picture and any About Me information. While you might not have a direct privacy setting for each individual field, be mindful of the information you choose to include, as it will generally be visible to your Venmo friends and potentially others depending on your overall privacy settings. It's also worth noting that even if you set your individual transaction privacy to private, certain aggregated and anonymized data might still be used by Venmo for analytical purposes. However, this data is not linked back to your individual transactions in a way that reveals your personal information. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.